Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery free video on June 27th, 2023. What was today about? The MACD. This MACD scanner worked to perfection on a number of stocks I showed in the 11:30 session in the free room. So as you see in here, we're going to take the stocks we were looking at, and what we did is we scanned for stocks with oversold daily MACDs, but still above their 50 simple moving average. We then made that like this, 40111. And I'll show you the ones we did. Let me be sure I have the right ones for you. These were some of them we did. So we did CF. We did Expedia. Yeah, look at that. Wow. That's a massive move, up $4 in there. What other ones did we do? This was our favorite. Now, just to let you know, when I'm on the free room, I can't give specific trades. But as I was on, I posted this in the other room, in the Chart Patterns Mastery room. We bought these at 33 cents right here. We sold them at 62 and 61 cents. I sold a couple under that, like 52 cents, but took her almost 100% gain. That was pretty exciting. So what we did in here was this. We just took stocks that are active. Now keep in mind that are active. And what we did in there is then we looked for our pitch. Here they are, 4111. So all we did was take stocks that were oversold in an uptrend. Now the thing is, you can't blindly buy them. You then have to look for a short-term trigger. So there was your short-term trigger. Right there. Yep. Right in there. So that's, as you see, it worked beautifully. So we bought the 8.5s at 33 cents when it started popping. And that was it. You put it on a 1-minute chart. And you're going to see right in here the bull flag as well. Look at that. And that's when we bought them. And that's when I posted. Right there. That was a beautiful thing. Actually, 11:30, we bought them here. I'm sorry. We bought them there at 33 cents on that bull flag. So when you see something oversold in an uptrend, you don't just blindly buy it. You then have to have the short-term trigger, which we did. How about the other one, Expedia? Well, you're going to see, you see the oversold in an uptrend. And then look what we got on the right. Yeah, we got that little bull flag right there. That's where we bought a spread at $1.51 and sold it at $2.01. Another one, let's see. We actually bought it right there. Yeah, that was a beautiful thing. We got out up here. So these could go higher, don't get me wrong. They're still oversold in an uptrend. The difference, though, is going to be this tomorrow. Is this so oversold that this blue line, the longer term trend, that goes down so far that this isn't a buy? This is just a temporary glitch up. Well, the easiest way to do this, at least in my opinion, is to do this. We take these stocks. Definitely we still have these as possible buys. Don't get me wrong. But you take the more expensive ones. There. You take some of the more expensive ones that might be oversold in an uptrend. Yeah, this is barely in an uptrend. And you see if they fail tomorrow. That's what you want to see. Do they fail tomorrow? They're way oversold. If those type of MACD becomes a failure, you'll see there are a number of them. Boeing, and I'll show you. Let's just do it this way. I'll show you right in front of me. We're We're going to take my main list, and I'm going to take out open interest, price, average volume. We're just taking the moving average and the MACD from my main list. These are the ones in an uptrend, 45 of them. I'm going to take the most expensive for you. And what you want to see in there, all I'm doing, MACD less than 0, the slower over 0. That's a proprietary. I show it all the time though on our Chart Patterns Mastery Stocks room. Close at least 1% above the simple. 45 stocks. I want the most expensive, and if they start failing, that's going to be a huge tell. So let me just show you some of them. Of the 45 of them, I just called it 45,555 because I have so many 40s. There you go, oversold. And you see the stock exploded. ServiceNow didn't do much when it's oversold. Yeah, that could be a good tell tomorrow. If this down here stays oversold, but this fails miserably, and then you see a HubSpot fail miserably, you see a KLL 10 core not go to a new high, that's going to be a huge tell for the broad market. On the other hand, like I said, there are a lot of small stocks that look pretty good, and we could try to buy cheap options. That's how we're going to try to play tomorrow. Have a great night, and talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.